In today's video, I am going to show you how to enable and also disable developer mode. Let's open the settings and enable developers option. To enable developers option, first go to settings and go to about phone. Go for software information. Click on 7 times on build number. Click OK. Like that, developers mode is enabled. Go back and scroll down. Now you can see developers option is enabled. Sorry for the black screen, you can't record in developers settings. To disable developers option, go to top right and you can see blue on off button. You can turn off it like this. After that you can't find developers option like this, and that's how to disable developers option. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe.